Hello, this is Dr.Louise from Hebei Pet Hospital, which is in China, Chongqing. I have made a lot of video for veterinarians to train them how to perform abdominal ultrasound for cat and dog. There are many pet owners also ask me if I can do some video to do owner education. So let's start with the vomiting. Since vomiting is the most common reason for the cat visit our hospital. Sometimes I will get a phone call or get a message from the WeChat. The owner just asks me, my cat vomited today. What's the reason? And what kind of medicine I can give to the cat? So that's a good question, but it is not a simple question. There are so many reasons. There are quite a long list of the reasons can cause vomit for cat. So today we prepared the 20 most common reasons for cat vomit. So this video we develop into two parts. The first part we talk about the 10 most common reasons, and then another part we're talking another 10 most common reasons for the cat vomit. Number one, diet. It is important to choose the correct diet for your animal, especially the protein. So that means if you choose poor quality protein, it is not easy to digest or eliminate. So some cat foods have some bad quality protein, which is from the slaughter, and they choose the animal heads, sometimes the pigs and the nails, or even sometimes the skin, which is not easy for the animal to digest. So that will stimulate vomit. Number two, food allergy. Food allergy is one of the most common reasons for the cat to vomit. If your cat behavior great, active, very good, and play, very happy, but just vomit, no body weight loose, then you need to think about food allergy. So the food allergy is something that can develop if you give only one kind of protein or single kind of food to your cat. It can develop food allergy. And there are some papers show that if you give some humidated canned food regularly to stimulate the GI tract, and then it can avoid or it can reduce the chance of food allergy. But once your cat already have food allergy, then you need to follow your vet's advice. Number three, treats. So there are many pet owners or cat owners give treats to the cat. But sometimes if you check the ingredients from the treats, you will find that there are so many things inside which can stimulate the GI tract and cause the inflammation inside and cause vomit. So when you choose a treat, be very careful and choose the right treat is very important. So sometimes if you give the treat to the cat, if the cat vomit, then you need to think about it could be cause of the treat. So you need to stop that kind of treat, and then you need to find out if it is really because of treat or other reason. So the number four is milk. So all the cats have to have milk from the mother. So, but if the cat drinks the milk from other species, it can cause problem. Especially since the cat do not produce the enzyme for the lactose from the cow milk, which will cause the cat is not easy to digest the cow milk and cause the animal to vomit. Number five, gallbladder. So sometimes if your cat eats too fast, it will cause the cat to vomit, especially if you have many cats at home. When they're eating, there is competition. So they try to eat very fast, and then try to check out if other cats still have some food. So that will cause the animal to vomit. So what you will do is that you separate the cat into different rooms. So some cats in the bedding room, some cat in the kitchen, and then give them around 30 minutes for them to eat the food. So they can slow down to eat the food and then will avoid vomit. But if you only have one cat at home, if the cat still will eat very fast, and then you need to separate the amount of food into several small piece of food and give to the cat to let the cat slow down to eat the food to avoid vomit. So we talk about number 6. Number 6 is food time. So some animal already used to the time of eating. For example, some cats start to eating in the morning around 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock in the morning, but you give the food at 8 o'clock. So the GI tract already started to produce the fluid, digestive fluid, but there's no food going into the stomach. And then the body have to throw up the digestive fluid. So that will cause the animal vomit. And then you can find the animal sometimes vomit the white foam or sometimes the yellow bile inside. And if that happened, you needed to find out when exactly the cat vomits regularly. And then you start to give the food before the cat vomit. And that will avoid the cat vomit. Number 7. The enzyme deficiency. Some cats cannot produce enough enzyme to help digesting, especially some cats' pancreas cannot produce enzyme to help the GI tract to digest the food. Then that will cause the animal to vomit. And if the enzyme deficiency do not be treated in time, and then will cause the inflammation of the pancreas and cause the pancreas inflammation, cause pancreatitis. So in our hospital, we use ultrasound and blood work to check out the pancreas of the animal. And if your animal have the enzyme deficiency, you need to give some enzyme to help the animal to digest the food. So number 8 is hairball. Hairball is the most common reason for the cat vomit. And also there are many owners bring the animal to our hospital because they have a hairball block inside. So if your cat have very long hair, or if your cat have a skin problem which cause the loose fur heavily, you need to think about to shave the fur, or you have to brush the fur very regularly to prevent the cat eat the hair inside and become hairball. In our hospital, sometimes we even needed to do surgery to take the hairball out because the hairball block in the GI tract cause very bad situation for the cat. And also you can buy some anti-hairball ointment from the market. There are so many different kinds of anti-hairball or ointment in the market you can give regularly to prevent the hairball. Number 9, foreign body. And the cats like to play toy. And sometimes they will bite the toy and swallow the toy, and the toy will go into the GI tract and become foreign body. And we have used ultrasound machine to help to diagnose foreign body in the GI tract for many cases. And also we have some cats always have linear foreign body inside. Here is one case, the cat eat the linear foreign body inside, and it is not easy to diagnose from the X-ray at the beginning, but we can very easy to find out on the ultrasound. So I will show you the ultrasound image and even the video. And this cat we did a surgery to save the life. Number 10, the gallbladder and the bile duct inflammation. So some cats have chronic inflammation of the gallbladder and the bile duct, and which can cause the vomit. go to do the ultrasound, and then it will help you to get a diagnosis. In this kind of situation, we need to give some medicine to help the animal. So this is the first part of the most common reason for the cat vomit. We have another 10 reasons to explain the cat vomit. So see you in the second part of the video. Bye bye.